Please try this delicious and healthy air fryer veg recipe, prepared with capsicum, potato, and onion. Take for peeled and diced potatoes, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix well. In air fryer, place parchment paper. Place potatoes. Spread evenly. Set for 15 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 8 minutes, shake it. In the meantime, take 1 1/2 mixed capsicum, 1 diced onions, 3 slit chilies, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion granula, 1 teaspoon fajita seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Add air-fried cooked potatoes. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix well. Place this gently. Spread evenly. Set for 7 minutes at 180 degrees C. Keep on flipping in between. Please try this easy and healthy recipe. I am sure you would love this. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.